Simeon. Pastor Chanco. Chanco follow Jay. All good. Rebound by Blamo. Long pass to Simbahon. Simbahon to 2. 2 points Simbahon. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Chanco. Loose ball. Salak pass to Iblamo. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gurio. Pass to Palma. 12 seconds to shoot. Loose ball. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Simeon. Pass to Minister. Pass to Rondahan. Rondahan pa ni Escopinion. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 20. Blocking foul, Gurio. No good. Offensive rebound by Mr. Saberon. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Palma. Palma attacking his companion. Pass to Iblamo. Iblamo to Gurio. Foul. Well, jersey number 13. Pushing foul, Rondahan. First personal foul, Rondahan, and first team foul, Manay. Shot clock back to 14. Foul.
Foul naman. Karakan foul.
Well, jersey number 13. Illegal use of hand, Rondahan. 2 personal foul, Rondahan, and 2 team fouls. Manay. No good. No good again. Rebound by Iblamo. Interception by Simeon. Interception by Palma. Pass to Simbahon. Simbahon. Interception by Rondahan.
Sada.
Simeon. Pass to Saberon. 2 points Saberon. Four minutes and 10 seconds. Palma. Nice pass to Simbahon. 2 points Simbahon. Chanco. Pass to Simeon. Back to Chanco. Chanco. Chanco to 3. No good. Full position, Giants. Salak pass to Iblamo.
Invite mo nila ko ang dami. Pakaroon lang mo nila dito sa kuwan.
3 minutes and 42 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Simbahon. Pass to Gurio.
Foul.
And a foul. Well, jersey number 8, Saberon. First personal foul, Saberon, and 3 team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Iblamo. Interception by Rondahan. Rondahan. Interception by Simbahon, and a whistle for a foul. Well, jersey number 8, Saberon. 2 personal fouls, Saberon, and warning for penalty. Iblamo, pass to Salak. Salak to Gurio. Gurio. Traveling violation, Gurio. Minister to Chanco. Chanco finds committed pass to Simeon. Back to Chanco. Chanko to Simeon. Simeon pick, nice pick. 2-2. No good. Rebound Bernal, whistle for Impam. Number 13.
Wait.
Penalty run.
Bakit sa mong brother sama pong makashoot?
Vincent.
Dili ko na siya kaganahan. La, na ko na iya.
May penalty. Substitution rep. Out perubahan. In buka. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. One point Goryeo. One point again Goryeo. Kuka. Pass to Simeon. Simeon pass to Minister. Minister to 3. No good. Rebound by Palma. Long pass to Simbahan. Simbahan to 2. 2 points Simbahan. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Uka drive. Follow J. Now that. Rebound by Goryeo. Long pass to Simbahan. Simbahan to 2. 2 points Simbahan. Time up. Charge Manay. 2 minutes and Manay, liga bola. Manay ball position. Saberan pass to Cariaga. Cariaga. Pass to top, nice pass. And a basket down. Foul. Wearing jersey number 20. Goryeo. 2 personal foul Goryeo and 2 team foul. No good. Rebound by Palma. Long pass. Simbahan interception by Cariaga. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Pass to Uka. Foul. Wearing jersey number 20. Blocking foul Goryeo. Substitution red. 3 personal foul Goryeo and 3 team foul. Minister. Pass to Saberon. Figueron. No good. Rebound by Minister. No good. Rebound by Salah. Salah pass to Ibrahim. Pass to Palma. No good. Rebound by Uka. One minute and 51 seconds. Minister pass to Cariaga. Cariaga pass to Uka. Saberon. Any foul? When jersey number 21. At 31. Ibanez. First personal foul Ibanez and warning for penalty. Saberon pass to Cariaga, back to Saberon, back to Cariaga, Cariaga to Minister, Minister to 3. Foul. Number 13, Salah. Penalty ref. First personal foul and penalty situation. GN score. One point. Rebound by Ibanez. Ibanez pass to Salah. Salah pass to Igano. number 4. Blocking foul, Cariaga, penalty ref. First personal foul, Cariaga, and penalty situation. 1 minute and 31 seconds. One point Iblamo. 25. 2 points off. 26-15. Sabiron, gather by Sibaon. Pasto Cariaga, 16 seconds to shoot. Instead to 3. No good. Rebounded Tama. Tama ng pass sa Sibaon. Sibaon to 2 points Sibaon.
Ayun, nakuha kami.
1 minute and 5 seconds. Cariaga advance. Nice pass sa Sabiron and a loose ball. Sayang. 1 minute and 3
Ay,
seconds.
unsa naman kita?
Granted.
Seconds to play. Pass to Sibaon. To Ibanez. No good. Rebound by Saberon. Pass to Minister. 50 segundos. Minister pass to Saberon. Saberon to 3. No good. Rebound by Cariaga. What a nice play. 38 segundos. Loose ball. Ball position ng ay. 32 segundos. 32 seconds. Saberon pass to Cariaga. 20 seconds shoot, 28 seconds remaining. Interception by Palma. Pass to Sala.
Ano?
In the loose ball. 21 seconds. No more shot clock. Cariaga to Saberon. Pass to Minister. Basket help. Foul wearing jersey number 13. 13 Sala. 2 personal foul Sala and penalty situation. 15 segundos. 1 point. 15 seconds. 12. 9. 6. 5.2 seconds.
Kailan sa kauban. Gawas.
Time for the second quarter.